Hi, my name is Matt Baker at ProSymmetry, and today we'll be going through how to set up and configure workflow users within Tempus resource. So workflow users are going to act as a user within the system that will have the ability to create workflow projects, as well as not utilize one of your Tempus licenses within the system. So the access for these users will be pretty limited. They won't have the ability to look at some of the resource information, reporting information, and a majority of the product. However, they will have the ability to manage and view the workflow projects that they're created up until the point that they become more live. So to create a workflow user within Tempus resource, we can go ahead and navigate to admin settings, and from here, select on the workflow management tile. In the top right-hand corner of the screen, you will have an option for project workflow users, which will define all the project workflow users currently within the system. To create a new user, all you have to do is select on the green Create User option and provide a name. So I'll name this Workflow User 1, determine if they're enabled or not, and then determine how they will log into the system. So you can utilize your single sign-on capabilities if that's something that you're utilizing right now, as well as you can also use the custom login and password if that is easier for the user. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'll do SSO enable test ProSymmetry.com as my username, and then I can go ahead and create. So once that user is created, that user can now log into Tempus as well as then navigate the project management and create workflow projects as long as they've been granted access to do so. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit us at ProSymmetry.com and have a great rest of your day.